Hey guys, Victor with the Victor Tellez Group here at Keller Realty Signature, and we have another easy recipe for you. We got a half pot filled with water. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of cooking oil. We're gonna add 10 whole black peppercorns, a little bit of salt. Once it's boiling, we're gonna add 8 ounces of spaghetti noodles. We're gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes, stirring from time to time, making sure none of the noodles are stuck together. Now we're gonna make our sauce, which is made up of 5 Roma tomatoes, 1 green onion, 3 garlic cloves, and 1/4 cup of water. Go ahead and start the blender. Now we're gonna go ahead and strain the pasta. Here I'm using heat-resistant gloves found on Amazon. Now we're gonna get a saucepan and pour 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We're gonna add our tomato sauce, add a little bit of salt, add 1 stick of butter, 16 ounces of sour cream, and you're gonna wanna mix thoroughly until everything is mixed evenly. Then we're gonna add our noodles to our creamy tomato sauce and mix for about 5 minutes. And there you have it.